Often, many of you ask me, what are mutual funds, how and where to invest in mutual funds. So, in this video, we'll discuss all the above points in details. Hello friends, I am Dhaval and welcome to my channel. So, to start with, what are mutual fund investments? Earlier, only few elite people had the privilege of taking help of an expert to manage and grow their investments. But now, you have this luxury of getting the help of this expert, known as a fund manager, who invest money on your behalf so as to maximize the returns with minimal risk at a very nominal fees. Would you not want this tool, this service to invest in different avenues like stocks, debts, gold, real estate, which is known as mutual funds? Most of the time when we discuss mutual funds, it is in context with investment in stock market. Here also we will be discussing mainly on mutual funds which predominantly invest in share market. If you are enjoying my video, do like and share the video, and if new to my channel, do subscribe my channel for this type of interesting videos. Now, second point, why to invest in mutual funds? You all must have heard that if you had invested 10,000 rupees in 1993 in Infosys, today it would have worth more than 12 crores now. Or if you had invested in this or that share, your money would have grown 10 times in 10 years, and such numerous stories. But what we do not hear is that if you had invested shares in like BHEL and others, which lost more than 80% of its value in last 10 years. So for common people like us, it becomes very difficult to pick the right stock which can grow our investments. The second problem is today with 500 rupees, you cannot go and buy even a single share of HDFC Bank, Asian Paints or Reliance Industries. But if you invest through mutual funds, you can solve both the above problems, as mutual fund investments are being handled by fund managers who can maximize your profits with minimal of risk, and with a small amount of only 500 rupees, you can invest in quite a few companies like HDFC Bank, Asian Paints, Reliance and many more simultaneously. So now let's discuss type of mutual funds. There are generally two type of mutual funds which an investor can select. One is a regular plan. In this type of mutual funds, these are being sold by mutual fund agents, banks and distributors. This is being preferred by new investors who are not comfortable in selecting the mutual fund schemes and does not know how and from where to purchase mutual funds. Here in regular plan, the expense ratio, that is the charges charged by the AMC and the fund manager, is on a higher side. Do comment if you want a separate video on expense ratio and how much would a mutual fund agent or a distributor earn from it. Right. So the second type of plan is a direct plan. This type of mutual funds can be directly purchased from the AMC or the fund house by visiting their office or from their website. Hence, the expense ratio is quite lesser than that of a regular plan. Now, coming to the question, how to invest in a mutual fund. Investing in mutual funds is more simpler than anyone would be thinking. There are only two prerequisites. First, a PAN card, and second, a bank account. For investment in regular plan, you can call any agent or distributor and he will do all the paperwork and KYC for you and also help you in selecting mutual funds for you. For direct plan, you can visit the AMC branch office in your city with necessary documents and get your KYC done. Also, you can fill the mutual fund scheme form and submit your check for purchase of mutual funds. In this digital era, you can also do all the above things online. Just get your KYC done first, then create an account on the website of AMC where you plan to purchase the mutual fund and can start the purchase right away. Now, we'll discuss what are the broad categories of mutual funds. First category is equity mutual fund. In this category of funds, they predominantly invest in equities, that is, shares of listed companies on stock exchange. Second is debt mutual fund. This category of funds predominantly invest in fixed interest generating securities like corporate bonds, government securities, treasury bills, etc. The third type of fund is hybrid mutual fund. This category of funds invest in a mix of different asset classes like equity, debt, and even gold, depending on the investment objective to minimize the risk involved. Above are the broad categories of mutual funds. Every category of funds have different subcategories. I will discuss the details of each category in my coming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel to get notification for my upcoming videos. Do comment if you would like to have the above video in Hindi and Gujarati language. Thank you.